Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to easily check your trust factor in Counter-Strike 2. Currently, there are only two methods available to determine your trust factor status. The first method is to invite friends to your lobby and start a competitive match. If someone in the lobby has a significantly lower trust factor, you'll see a warning that says your matchmaking experience will be significantly affected because of the trust factors of the specified player name. This warning can be yellow or red depending on the severity. A red warning indicates a poor trust factor for that player. If there's no warning and the lobby color is green, it means all players in the lobby have a decent or high trust factor. The second method is to use the looking to play feature in CS2. If you see between 1 and 3 players available, your trust factor is likely red. If it shows 5 to 16 players, it indicates a yellow trust factor. If there are around 20 players available, it means your trust factor is green. It's important to note that only Valve knows the exact trust factor scores, but these methods provide a general idea of your standing.